I think people are surprised at how good it is.
Regardless where you're working in Skyscanner, whether it be design, engineering, legal, you understand how to use and interpret data. Data is hugely important for Skyscanner. We're a data-driven organisation and we make decisions based on data.
Making multi-million-pound decisions.
Skyscanner collects a lot of data and we haven't utilised it to the best in the past.
The analytics team are only 36 across an organisation of 1,400 people. For simple data questions, people want to be able to self-serve, but they have to come to us for it. That creates, a slowing down of the process. We are co-creating with Data Booster.
They were able to use Skyscanner data.
It's a non-standard set of courses. It's really bespoke to Skyscanner.
Which helps enable the learners to be familiar with the data that they're using and understand the Skyscanner metrics.
I was doing the training myself. Really important that it's a Skyscanner specific learning. Big tool that we use here is Tableau. All the time I'm saying to the bar team or analytics team, oh, can you give me this dashboard? Can you give me that dashboard?
Because of the Data Booster training, they're now enabled to self-serve and be able to make these tweaks and edits and custom views themselves, which enables business analytics to then focus more strategic problems and help the business doing deep dive analysis.
Show me how to do this myself so then I can do it the next time again.
The hands-on element of it, I think, is unique. I think it will help empower people to feel confident in using data.
And instead of it being a one-week course that you might forget 2 weeks later.
What the Data Booster training did, especially for me, is it actually got you into the tooling that we use. But the way that you've integrated like Tableau, for example, into our training program is brilliant. There's things in Tableau I didn't know it could do. I'm only quite a new person in that space.
When they start the Data Booster training, they're really pleasantly surprised about how engaging and hands-on it is, and that helps their learning experience. That we can create that classroom-style atmosphere across the world.
Right now we've done about 10% of the organisation, but hopefully we'll get to 100% in the coming months.
It's an iterative process and it's ongoing, and that means that people will benefit a lot more from the training. People are already feeding back around how they like the courses, how they think that it's helping them in the day-to-day jobs, and it just shows that there's like an internal buzz around it as well. I think we should win the award because we're not starting from scratch. Skyscanner has so much data and we're using the training to harness the power of that data. It could be easier if we were starting from very little data, no culture around it, and we could design that all ourselves. But we've got a legacy culture around data and we're trying to influence that. So it's a hard piece of work to do, and we've already seen some positive changes.